We're outside the front of Powertech Tuning, where we do all of our range anxiety work and where I do most of my work when I actually work. And we're going to give you a bit of a workshop tour, just something a bit different. We're just going to run you through some of the things that would actually happen here in a normal day. So let's open the gates and take a look inside. Open sesame. So I'll get the idiot videographer and we'll drag him through and we'll just show you what it is that we do every day. And here is the face that greets you. Good morning, welcome to Powertech Tuning. How can I help you today? This is what happens when you come to reception. But really, where all the action happens is not in the showroom where we film, but more to the point out here. And here is the workshop area. As you can see, it's quite big. And even though I'm quite small, I do look smaller than normal. It's a big workshop. We've got 1, 2, 3 hoists, 2 2-posters and a 4-poster. We've divvied the workshop up into areas. Project cars up the back end. You'll see there's a McLaren 720S there that we're pulling down and doing some work on. Normal day-to-day, Commodore just about to go on in the middle. And the 4-poster we've affectionately termed Electric Avenue. We don't just do Land Cruisers, we don't just do commies, we don't just do Mercs, and we don't just do GTRs. We do a wide variety of stuff. So planning and implementation of the workshop stage is quite important. We've got here everyone's favourite R34 GTR N1, genuine N1. This is a Ram Laramie, and just let's have a look how it came up. As a Teleonis, they make about 10-15 kilowatts max power at the top. Who cares? This one went from 198 to 215 or something. Doesn't matter, because where these cars really gain is from 2,500 through to about 4. We've got 120 Newton meters of extra torque, all gained by more aggressive throttle opening, better ignition timing, and optimized fuel mixtures. We have a really good result from these Rams, and that's why we do a lot of them. And they drive like a new car.